Today, hi. So today I'm going to make a turkey burger and some roasted butternut squash. I was craving for some butternut squash and I found some in the frozen section, so I'm gonna try it that way. See how it turns out. All right. So first I'm going to add a little bit of some extra virgin olive oil to the bowl. Just a little bit. Next, I'm going to add some lemon juice to it. Next, I'm going to add some wholesome sweeteners, which is the agave. So I'm going to just add a little bit of that to it. I use this instead of maple syrup. You can add maple syrup, but I like this better. And it's more healthier for you. Just add a little bit of that. Next, I'm adding some cumin, just a little bit. Now I'm about to put some cilantro in it. Next I'm going to add a little bit of turmeric to it. Next I'm about to add some ground ginger. Now I'm about to add a little bit of chili powder. Now I'm about to add a little bit of salt, just a little bit. I'm going to mix it all up, and this is what I'm going to dip the butternut squash in. Just mix it up, and then I'm going to add some frozen butternut squash. So I just set the oven to 450 to get it so I can bake the butternut squash at 450. First time I'm going to bake it for about 15 minutes, then I'm going to turn it over. But this is the cube butternut squash I purchased. So now I'm just open these and dip them in my sauce and then put them on a baking pan. So I'm about to dip my butternut squash and put it on a baking sheet. I put some aluminum foil in there, so I'm going to give it a light spray of Pam so it won't stick. So I put my butternut squash in a bowl, and now I'm just about to pour the mixture I made on top of it and kind of get it on there. So now I'm about to just, you see the seasonings and stuff is on it. So now I'm just about to spread them on the baking sheet. Kind of spread them out evenly on the baking sheet. So while I wait for my oven to warm up to 450, I'm going to prepare my turkey burgers. So I decided I needed some more color to my dish, so I'm gonna make some broccoli Florentines. I meant broccoli florets. I'm gonna add that just to give my dish a little more color and have something else that's filling on the dish as well. So I'm going to be using these particular brand of turkey burgers because they was on sale. So these are the Jennie turkey burgers that I'm going to prepare. And I'm going to season them with some Southwest Chipotle mrs.dash, which is salt free. So I took the butternut squash out the oven. I'm about to turn them over and then put them back in for another 15 to 20 minutes while I prepare my burgers. I'm adding some Southwest Chipotle seasoning to my burger. I also cut up just a couple of white onion to give the burger a little more flavor. So I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil to the pan. I'm going to let that heat up for a little bit, and then I'm going to add my white onions. Let them saute a little bit, and then I'm going to add the burgers. So I took off my onions. I'm about to cover them up so they can stay warm. I added my burgers, so I'm going to just continue to cook both burgers and then come back and finish up the dish. I should be checking on my butternut squash in about 14 minutes. And then I'll prepare my broccoli and then put everything together. So everything's done. I have butternut roasted butternut squash, some broccoli, and a turkey burger. I'm going to add some Smart Balance, is dairy-free butter, to my broccoli. Now I'm about to add some mustard. I cut my turkey burger in little pieces, so I'm going to just add a little mustard. Now I'm about to add my onions from earlier. Just sprinkle them on there. Alright, so here's the end results. I'm going to taste it for you. I love butternut squash. So good. That's good. Let me see how my turkey burger came out. Get a little bit of onion. Woo, so good. I love that brand of turkey burger. It's a really good brand. It's a little expensive, so I always try to get it on the when it's on sale. So my broccoli make me want to dance. So good. Try it. A light dinner. You see, I didn't add no bread. You can have your burger with bread or not. It's up to you, but I'm trying to cut back on my carbs, so All right. I'm about to sit down and eat dinner. Enjoy.